Say your ABCs.
On that table.
No, say them right there. Sing your ABCs. Look at me.
Do it, Aiden. A, B, C, D. No, look at her.
Look here and say it really loud.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, C, U, B, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you'll learn on numbers. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good
He's
job.
like, now you know your numbers.
All right, say your numbers.
Good job, Aiden.
Can you count?
Yep.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 18, 19, 15, 18, 19, 20!
Oh, yeah, you did a fine job, baby.
Thanks.
You're welcome.